Flood warning in effect from Wednesday morning until further notice. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Right-hand chute Little River at Riverdale. When? From Wednesday morning until further notice. Impacts. At 11.0 feet, farmland north of Riverdale is flooded. Low-lying portions of Highway 158 near the river are flooded. Additional details. At 7 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday, the stage was 10.1 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage Wednesday morning and continue rising to a crest of 11.5 feet by Friday morning. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
We actually saw you.
Flood warning in effect from late Tuesday night to Saturday, March 1st. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Mississippi River at Caruthersville. When? From late Tuesday night to Saturday, March 1st. Impacts. At 33.0 feet, in Tennessee, Barr Road in Chickasaw National Wildlife Refuge is flooding, cutting off evacuations from the Wardlow's Pocket area. In Arkansas, docks used by the steel plant at Hickman are mostly flooded. Numerous roads and fields inside the levee between Gayoso and Kennedy, Missouri are covered. Additional details. At 7 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday, the stage was 30.2 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Wednesday morning to a crest of 33.5 feet early Sunday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Friday, February 28th. Flood stage is 32.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.